everyone, this is Arpita and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to tell you how to accessorize yourself. So if you are really interested to know how to accessorize yourself and you can use your different kind of jewelries in top and jeans also and in ethnic wear also, then please continue the video. So first I will tell you the dress which I am currently wearing. So this is a top and it has a bow, means a strip here. So I have to just tie these strips here. So I thought either I can go with a necklace or either I can go with earrings. So why I decided to go with an earrings, because I can see that this is a floral top and it already has a print on it. So it's better to go with the earring, like funky kind of earring, and the earring should be of big size, because if you will wear a small size earring, it will not give that impression. So as you can see that I am wearing this sunflower kind of earring to matching this yellow top. So the second dress which I have is a plain yellow top. So either you can go with a long earring, what I am doing currently, or now I am going to show you the next thing what you can do with the same top. Because it's a plain top, it don't have any other color except yellow color. So you can mix and match with so many accessories set. So next I am wearing this jewelry, and this is a metallic jewelry, and metallic jewelries will never go wrong with any dress. So as I told you earlier that this is a plain yellow top, so with any plain color top, like it will not have any design on it, you can go with heavy necklace and a stud kind of earrings. So as you can see that this look is looking awesome and this set is really going well with the top. So next guys, I am wearing this kurti, and this is a high slit kurti and I am pairing it up with a jeans. So now I am going to tell you what accessories will go with this kurti. So I am wearing a necklace and it is giving is a Indo-Western look, and already it's an Indo-Western kurti, so it's going very well with this kurti. So as you can see that I also pair up with a ring, and that is also in the same kind of texture giving what my necklace is giving. So you can see that it's going well together. Guys, if you notice that in the previous video with the same dress I was wearing only necklace and no earrings, and this time I paired up this kurti with earrings only, no necklace, because I feel that the whole look is completed with only the earring and necklace is not required. So as you can see that this is an ethnic earring, so it's giving me an Indo-Western look. So guys, again I am wearing a kurti, and this kurti is more for a party kind of kurti, like if you want to attend any reception or any parties in your family, then definitely you can go with this look. So in this look what it has a golden design on it, so I thought why not go and pair it with a gold earring. So I'm just wearing a golden color earring, and this is literally a big earring so that it can complement my whole look. And just to complete the whole look, I am also wearing this bangles, and this is also in gold color. So guys, definitely you can go with this look. It is just perfect for the party. So guys, why I am not wearing a necklace with this dress? So as you can see that my earrings are too heavy and the neck of this dress is a bit high. So if I wear a necklace, it will definitely look too bad, because it will look like that you want to adjust something and it's not suitable for that place. That's why I didn't go for a necklace for this dress. So if you are wearing a dress which is of high neck and which already has some design on it, then please don't go for the necklace. Avoid necklace that time and wear a heavy earring so that it will complement your look more and you look more pretty. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.